Hi friends, this is Maggie. I have a quick video for you guys. I am showing you some books that I have, kind of an organization. This is my YouTube notebook where I write my notes and stuff that I want to show on a weekly basis. When I learn a new technique or I remember something that I've done in the past, I use this book. The next book is an insert from Moleskine. It is the book that I'm going to use for ink October, where every day you draw something and you use ink. So I'm going to use this. The pages are great for that. So I'm going to be using that book. But this last one is a calendar from Jane Davenport, and I used it last year, and I was supposed to use it this year, but I am having a hard time keeping up with my calendar. So I love this book. So I had it put away, and I decided that I was going to change it to be like a inventory and process for the projects that I work on. So what I did is I created my index page, and every month will have a item. For example, the month of January will have watercolor. The month of February will have stencils and so forth. It's quite neat. I am planning to put what type of supplies I have and what processes have I done with them so I can insert pages. And I think this is something that I'll be using all the time because I love this binder and I love to keep working on it. So this is kind of a neat project. I put it together over the weekend. Also wanted to you guys to excuse my voice. I have the flu and I don't sound that clear. But I did wanted to show you this before we go actually in the creation of a face. I found a heart, kind of a wooden card type of thing, and I decided to do a face on it using distress crayons. That packet at the end of the binder is kind of neat to put stuff in. And then I got my color wheel and a page to show me how to write letters when I'm creating fonts. Another reason for wanting to use this binder, I want to use it as a reference for my Rolodex. In my Rolodex, every time I create a video or I learn a new technique, I add a card to my Rolodex. But I need to remind myself, for instance, this particular card here, the flowers, I need to be reminded that that was done with 3 dots of watercolor, and the layering and all of the processes I have learned and worked on. I just need to be able to remember how I did it. So I wanted to add to my binder the process, a quick, bullet point process to remind me this is the way you created this. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. This is the card that I found and worked on. It's a wooden uh, cardstock type of thing that I found, and I put gesso on it and decided to create a face on it. So it's kind of a nice technique when you don't. I didn't want to get rid of it. I figured I can do something with it, so I created this face. I started once I created the face. I added a background in red, and then at the end, I actually changed it and I put it back white just to match my room because I have it in my room, and I don't have red. That's the whole reason why I changed it back to white. But I left the red one in case you guys like the red, and it shows you how to do that background um, for your face. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.